boys, here we go. Getting into Speedstorm. Looks like they're going to jump us in here with an initial race. Nice. What's this? Come on, baby. Come on. Woo-hoo! First place. Yeah. Nice. All right, welcome back to the channel. It's time for review. That's right, vocabulary review, letters J to R. This time we're going to be breaking it down into two categories, listening and practice. Let's start with the letter J, vocabulary. Jacket, jar, juice, jam, and jelly beans. Okay, it's your turn. Great job. Now it's time for the letter K. Listening. Kitten, key, koala, kite, kangaroo. All right, it's your turn. Are you ready? Go. Well done. Now on to the letter L. Ready? Listening. Lion, ladder, lollipop, legs, leaf. All right, it's your turn. Ready? Go. Whew, okay, that's the first three letters. Let's take a short break now and catch our breath. Please remember that down in the description, there are timestamps, so you can check back and practice any of these letters individually. Okay, let's move on to our next set of letters, and let's start with the letter M. Monkey, milk, mother, mouse, and moon. All right, it's your turn. You ready? Go. Okay, very good. Now on to the letter N. Listening. Net, needle, nest, nose, necklace. All right, your turn. Ready? Go. Well done. The next letter is the letter O. Listening. Ostrich, octopus, on, otter, omelet. Okay, it's your turn. Ready? Go. Wow, okay, that's 6 letters down and 3 letters to go. Please check in the description down below links to the previous phonics videos where we taught these letters in detail. Okay, let's get back into this video. And the next letter that we're going to review is P. Listening. Pencil. Potato. Pizza. Penguin. Popcorn. All right, it's your turn. Are you ready? Up next, the letter Q. Listening. Quack. Queen. Quilt. Quiet. Question. Okay, it's your turn. Go. And our last letter of the video, R. Listening, rabbit, rainbow, rain, road, and rice. All right, one last time. It's your turn. Ready? Go. Wow! We made it! We made it to the end of the video. That's 9 letters that we reviewed today. Letters J to R. Please remember that you can check out in the description for links to the previous videos. And if you found this content useful or helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you soon.
That's all, folks.